Now we start with the project I am feeling lucky, a Google search. This project performs getting search keywords from the command line, retrieves the search results page, then opens a browser tab for each result. Means this code need to do read the command line arguments from sys.argv, fetch the search result page with the request model, find the links to each search result, then call the WebBrowser.open function to open the web browser. Now, we will see how to do this. As a first step, getting the command line arguments and request the search page. Now, you know that the google.com allows us to enter the search keywords. Here, in this code is saved as lucky.py, and this code imports request model, sys model, web browser model, and BS4 model. You will see the significance of these models. Now, as a first step, it displays the message print googling. Okay, googling message will be displayed. Now, request.get. The URL is http google.com and then search. Okay, see the command search, then afterwards there will be a question mark. Okay, question mark is the separator between the search keyword and query. Query starts with Q equal to the query. What query? You know that command line argument contains the keyword that need to be searched. Those keywords means the sys.argv of 1 onwards. Those keywords need to be joined. All the keywords need to be joined. Okay, and each keyword will be separated by the space. Okay, and when the URL entered into the when the URL transferred through the browser, it transfers as this form. Transfers in this form: https www.google.com, then the search question mark q equal to search terms. Okay, it transfers in this way. Now, when the keywords are entered through command line, those will be taken as sys.argv 1 onwards. Why 1 onwards? Because the argv of 0 is the file name. Then argv of 1 onwards will be the command line arguments, which are nothing but search keywords. Now, as a step 2, we have to find all the results, means all the keywords in the different web browser. Okay, now to do this, we need to enter this code: soup equal to bs4 dot beautiful soup in bracket res dot text. We know that first we need to get the response. The response is retrieved here after requesting through Google. The response will be stored in the res object. If there is exception, it raises for the exception. Otherwise, by using res.txt, it retrieves the element objects using bs4.beautiful soup model. You know that the soup is the object where different select item will be given by using different parameters. For example, as a first command, it is given soup.select dot r and a, okay, dot r a, and wherever a is there in the search response, the search response contains a if there is anchor tag. Okay, anchor tag will be having H reference, that is hypertext reference. Wherever there is a hypertext reference, there will be anchor element or a element. Okay, and also if there is element like h3 class equal to r, indicates looking through rest of HTML source. It looks the R class. It looks like a R class, which is used only for search result links. Okay, it is used only for search result links. Okay, now the beautiful soap object from the downloaded pages HTML text uses selector dot ra to find all a elements that are within an element that has the r css class. Okay, that has the r css class. Now see, wherever anchor elements are there inside r css class, it will be stored in the link elements object. Now the link elements contains all the a elements. It finds all the AH reference elements. Now we need to open minimum 5 elements out of this many linked elements. Okay, now here the num open will have the first 5 linked elements. Okay, now for I in range num open indicates I start from 0 to 4. WebBrowser.open in google.com, it opens link elements of I dot get h reference, indicates first link which is having 0 subscript will be opened in the browser with the Google. Then the second linked element, second h reference or second link will be open in google.com. Third link, fourth link and fifth link, like that. I equal to 0 to 4. All 5 links will be displayed in different web pages of the browser. Okay, using Google. Now once it opens all 5 elements, you know that here min just returns the smallest of the integer. Okay, because len is indicating number of or length of linked elements. There may be numerous linked elements, but now here it gets only first 5 linked element. Okay, from the list. Now we run this program in the Jupyter. First we need to save this file in lucky.py by using percentage file, then file name. Now we will type the program. Okay, already we have typed the program here, and we are having request module to get web page in the browser, and then sys module to input command line argument, and then web browser model to get browser elements, and then VS for model to use beautiful soup method. Now the browser model uses open method to open the different web pages in the Google with the Google search keyword. bs4.beautifulsoup res.txt. Res.txt is a response text. From the response text, the soup object will be created, and soup object dot select method selects all the anchor elements, that is link elements, and out of many link elements, first 5 link elements will be chosen to open in the web browser. Now if you want to run this program, you have to give run percentage run, then file name lucky.py, and then search keyword. Okay, I have given search keyword as Canada Engineering, VTU, Udupi, Mangalore, like that. Any number of keywords you can give that you need to search. For example, if you want to add some more keywords, okay, and some keywords, whatever you want to search in the Google, okay, like this you can enter, and this all keywords will be searched in the Google, and the links will be opened, or retrieved links will be opened in different web pages. Maximum 5 links will be opened in different web pages.